How to turn off and disable autoplay videos on Play Store. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to disable autoplay videos on Play Store easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is simple. Go to Play Store. As you can see, this is the home page. Now all what you have to do is go to the top corner right here and click on your profile. Now after you click on your profile, click on settings and it will take you to this page. Right here you will find many options. Choose the second one, click on network preferences like this, and now click on autoplay videos option. After you click on it, now choose don't autoplay videos and click done right here. Very easy and fast. I hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.